So you might be in this really weird situation where your car is just not playing any songs at all via Bluetooth to your particular car. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, whether you're on iPhone or Android. The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part, and the main way to go and fix this problem, no matter what car or vehicle you're in, is to double check your Bluetooth connection settings. If you're plugging your car in via the wire at the very bottom, then you have nothing to worry about. Replace that wire, check to make sure your car even supports a wire via connection method. But if you're connecting via Bluetooth, open up your settings of your particular iPhone or Android just like this. Find your Bluetooth connection settings just like right here. And what you're going to want to do is just double check that your particular iPhone does actually discover your particular car, or your Android phone. You want to make sure these devices, actually find your car. Because if they don't, if your car is not supported, or if your car shows up but it's not connected, well, that's all you have to do is just reconnect your car to the Bluetooth, and that will allow you to start playing the songs to your particular car via your particular phone. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another problem sometimes that can basically come up is that randomly sometimes the song that you're playing or whatever, like sometimes the app you're using can have some weird faulty issues. So you may want to try a different application. Just try using a temporary one like YouTube or Spotify. If you use Apple Music or whatever, use a temporary different one for a second. And you want to see if that same issue is persisting within the other app. If the app is also persisting there, it could just be that your phone just needs to be reset or rebooted. So hold down the buttons to reboot your phone and then just reboot it. But if it's also happening, if it's not happening to any other app except that one that you have, like Apple Music or Spotify, it could be a problem with that particular application. And what I'd recommend doing here is finding your App Store or your Google Play Store, searching up Spotify, whatever application is giving you that Bluetooth issue, search it up, try updating that particular app, and that could very well end up fixing the problem too for you as well. So that's another way to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.